How do I know who is visiting my website? This is one of the questions that was posed by one of our clients who is a small business owner, and we have set up their website, and one of the content strategies that they're supposed to do according to their business model is to write articles and share them onto social media, and then readers can actually go to the website and read what they've actually written. So they posed this question, which we thought that we can do a video demonstration of how it basically works as we give you insights on an actual running project. So let me just get to this platform. What you're seeing here is impressions. And over the past 3 months, this website received 24,000 impressions and 843 clicks. I'm going to come back and explain what you're looking at right now and in depth. Okay. And then the first tool that we're going to recommend is what is known as Google Search Console. So Google Search Console, what it does, it's a free platform to use, and it's a tool that helps you report and measure your sales, and then search traffic and performance and issues that may be on your website. So Google Search Console is a product by Google. It integrates with all these different kinds of website builders platform. If you have built your website with Wix, if you've built it with WordPress, if you've built it even hard coding, a hard-coded website can integrate with Google Search Console. But again, that can be a little bit technical for some of the small business owners. You may need to ask the help of a programmer to do that integration. Okay, so once you integrate your website, you're going to get some reports about your website performances and things like that. So the website that we're going to be looking at is this website that is called Biashara. It's one of our online properties, and we have added Google Search Console there and all the other tools that we're going to be talking about, and we're going to see if these tools are saying the same thing and at the same time if we are getting very good results. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, this is the back end now of Google Search Console. So if you go to Google Search Console, you're going to realize that this website has been receiving a lot of impressions, and what it means is that these are the queries that people are punching on search engine. Okay, someone says cost of building a house in Zimbabwe, and then as you can see, these are the clicks that this website has received over the past 3 months. And what you can do with this data now is to make informed decisions, to say, okay, people are coming to my website and this is what they are coming for, and then you can do more content based on that. And then the second tool that we use is called Google Analytics. Now Google Analytics is a tool again by Google. Don't want to confuse you if you're just knowing these two platforms, Google Search Console and Google Analytics. They almost work in a similar way and they are free to use, and Google Analytics almost does the same, but there are so many differences that we cannot speak about now, especially if you're just getting started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the Biashara again, Google Analytics, and as you can see right now, Google Analytics is actually giving me that there is one user who is in United Kingdom, and the user is me. Actually, I'm there. And if you can go back to Google Analytics, you'll be able to see if you have 2 visitors, you'll be able to see that information. And with this again, you can get the data of where the users are actually coming from: the United Kingdom, United States, South Africa, and some of these African countries, Australia, and to give you kind of a matrix of who is coming to your website, their geographical locations and things like that. There's quite a lot that Google Analytics offers. You just have to play around with clicking around and see what it offers. Okay, and then we use again a tool that is called Visitor Tracking. Now visitor tracking again is an all-in-one website tracking and conversion tracking. With this one, you can actually track funnels, and it's a simpler version of Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Okay, it's a simpler version of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log into my account. Again, I have added this website, Biashara, which is the website that we are looking at. And if I can see with this data again, I can see that the traffic is coming from United Kingdom, United States, some countries in Africa and Australia. And these are the highlights of the top countries. And if I scroll down, I'll be able to see some session devices that a lot of people that are coming to my website, to this website, they're coming through a mobile. And which browser are they using? You'll be able to get that data as well. So with everything that this does, Google Search Console and Google Analytics, it actually does that. But this one, think of it as a simplified version of tracking. However, for you to add the connection between your website and these platforms, there is need for you to paste a code or do the integration. A lot of these platforms, they've got quite a lot of videos that they do. So if we go to this platform, if I must say, so according to this platform, it says this website is getting 50% of its traffic is coming from Google. So it simply means that a lot of people are searching for information on Google, and then they are coming to the website. And then here it says YouTube. Again, it's one traffic source. And then this is another domain. Probably it's another website that is sending this, but I cannot really search for that. And then there is direct URL. These are the people that maybe are just clicking on the actual link and then coming to the website. And there's also Bing and other platforms that are referring traffic to this website. So if you go to the website, this is the website that you're looking at. It's quite simple. It's an online directory that we created for the community in Zimbabwe. And what we have on this directory, number one, we do have business owners, and then we have a blog, and then we have podcast, and then we have got join. And then if we go to the website, to the YouTube channel, let me see if I can scroll down, and then I go to the YouTube channel. As you can see, if we go to the YouTube channel, I need to see the number of views, the number of subscribers for this website. So here we are on the website, and we have a decent number of views, 6,000 views, 300 views, 168, 500. And if I scroll down, we've done quite a lot of videos, that is over 160 videos, and these videos are actually directing traffic to this website. And again, these articles that we wrote on this website, they're actually bringing a lot of traffic. So if you have set up a website like this, if you're not tracking like how are people coming to your website, you are not going to be able to make measurable strategies, or you would know your next steps of action. So according to this, if we are getting a lot of traffic from YouTube and getting a lot of traffic from Google, what it simply means is that we have to continue for this project. We have to continue writing articles and creating a lot of more videos, because that's where most of the traffic is actually coming from. So if you're going to go with this platform, definitely it comes at a cost. But if you don't want to go with this platform, the reason why we use this platform is because we can connect quite a number of websites for our clients. But if you're just a small business owner, you just want to track your website, make sure you use these free platforms, which is Google Search Console and Google Analytics. They are completely free to use for you to be able to get going. Again, if you want to get more traffic to your website, we highly recommend that you create a reason for people to visit your website. A lot of business owners, they make the mistake of just creating the website and hope that they're going to get a lot of eyeballs on their website. There's quite a lot of different strategies of how you can bring visitors to your website, which we are covering on our YouTube channel, and you can see some of the videos that we have done. You'll be able to learn how you can drive traffic to to your website. That blogging that we mentioned earlier on is just one of the many strategies that you can bring a lot of eyeballs to your website. And with that said, I hope I have answered the question, how do I bring visitors to my website? And lastly, I want to say that there is quite a lot of tools that can be used besides the ones that I've showed you to track visitors on the website. And with that said, I guess this has just given you a tip of the iceberg of the tools that you need to use. There is more to this, but it needs you to do a lot of research. And if you have any questions for us, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to give you the best answers possible. With that said, bye.